Hey guys, and welcome to the San Francisco vlog.
Drop down your guns, wrap your arm round, cradle my chest. People love plastic smile, lay down to rest. Dream a little bit more than you sleep, talk a little less than you think. I see you're the noble one, pretend to be someone you're not. I see you're the social one, beat so loud, can't hear what they say. Wave, smile and chat for a while, dance, laugh, post it online. Realize you lost your own spark, too late, it's well after dark. Hope you find what you can't hide. Hope you flow out with the tide. Blank space when you don't talk, silence seems like an evil thought. Repetitive questions, you know the answer to, everyone's always okay. Smile on through the day. Real friends, not many left, all that counts is that you're seen. So focused on being in the scene, good life are you even smiling. Day after day, create the fame, stand alone, do you know your name? Better in groups, solo, there's no one to blame. What happened to the true you? It's such a shame. Hope you find what you can't hide. Hope you flow out with the tide.
So that is the end of the vlog. I know it's a little bit different than my usual city guides and my usual vlogs in general. I didn't really talk that much, and that's because, as you guys know, my camera's been very testy, and a lot of these clips that you see in this video, I actually had to reshoot a couple times because the lens would just freak out and shut off on me. So I kind of wanted to make it more of an eating and drinking montage and let you know the places that you should definitely stop into if you're in San Francisco. I definitely ate well, I definitely drank a lot, and I really enjoyed myself. San Francisco is just an amazing city. The culture there is very rich in the sense that everyone's just themselves. They're very authentic to who they are and unapologetically themselves, and there's just something so unique about that I don't experience in Florida. So I really enjoyed my time there, and I definitely think I'll be back, whether it's as a visitor to see Lacey again or as a potential new resident of San Francisco, because that's how much I liked it, to the point where I need to start saving up today because it's so expensive to live there. But it's an awesome city. I highly recommend, if you have the opportunity to go visit, go do it. California's vibes are just, the hype is real. California is an amazing state. And I see why everyone wants to flock there. As always, the address as well as my description of the restaurants and bars that I visited will be in the description box. Check that out for my recommendations if you want to see whether or not you should attend the places I visited. Although I would say every place that's included in this clip is definitely worth checking out. So just to let you guys know, but all the info will be down there as well for you to read. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you did by liking it and thumbsing it up, and also by leaving me a comment, because I really enjoy engaging with you guys. And until my next video, I will see you guys then. Bye. Mwah.